Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Netflix subtitles. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're not being able to see subtitles on your Netflix videos, then here are some fixes you could try out. The first thing to do is to open up a web browser. Make sure that you're logged into your Netflix account. And once you are in the main homepage of Netflix, go to the top right hand corner and mouse over to the profile icon. Now, click on Accounts tab and scroll down and pick your profile from the options. Click on your profile and this will bring up the expanded menu. Select Subtitle Appearance option and click on Change. Now from this page, you can select the font for your subtitle text size. And once you select how you would want your subtitle to appear, click on the Save button. Now once you do that, go back to the Netflix homepage. Select a show or a movie you'd like to enable or fix your subtitle on and click it open. Now once your movie starts playing, click on this subtitle icon. Mouse over to this speech bubble icon at the bottom and select the subtitle you would like to enable from the options. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to enable subtitle on your Netflix account. That was how you can fix Netflix subtitle error whenever you're not being able to see subtitles on your Netflix account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.